Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make my Nana's cake. I loved it. It's such a simple cake, but it's so effective. And it was always there on the table on a Sunday when we used to go around my Nana's for lunch. And I loved it. And it's made with custard and strawberries. So make sure you watch to the end to just see the finished product. But at the moment, we're gonna make a sponge cake. And then we're gonna pull all the pieces together and I'll show you what I've done. And if you like this video, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications of the next recipes from the Book of Mama are coming out. So let's start. We need 4 eggs and then 150 grams of sugar, which we're going to be adding to the eggs, breaking things. Now that they're nice and fluffy, we just add flour bit by bit. Ta-da! And look at the colour of those egg yolks. Remember, my nan used to have chickens and the eggs would be that colour all the time. And my family, they knew people who had chickens, so we always had fresh eggs, which is something that I miss. I do miss it. But they will do, well, they will have to do. So that's it. Now that we've done the batter, we just add some couple of teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. See, I forgot. Nearly forgot the baking powder. That would have been a disaster. Oh. And clearly I'm not good at this. And ta-da! Now I can take them off. I've got a 21 centimeters tin because I wanted quite tall, and it seemed to, I've already made one, so, because I need 2. By the way, you need 2 of these. And it's, I've already put a little bit of butter and some flour, which again is something that I watched my mum and my nan doing. So I don't know if there's an easier way, but I like it. So let's pour the batter into the tin. And now that we've got a batter in the tin, this is going to go in the oven for at 160 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. I used 160 degrees, but the recipe really calls for 170. But my oven it gets really hot, so I always take it 10 degrees down. So I don't know, whatever works for you. If you know your oven and how it works, the temperature should be 170 on a fan oven and 180 on a standard oven. But as I said, mine is a pretty powerful, so always 10 degrees less. So I'm going to do it 160 for 35 to 40 minutes. I'm going to check it at 35 minutes, and if I've put a skewer inside and take it out and it's dry, job done. It's done, and then I'm ready to assemble the cake once it's cooled down a little bit. So I'll see you shortly. I'll put this in the oven. Ta-da! And the cake is ready and it's cooled down. So that's all good. Oops. Juggling. Thank goodness I already did this, but for production value, by the sound of it, I had to do it again. I brought it over, so straight from the oven, cool down. It smells. It smells amazing, and it smells like Nonna's kitchen. So what I'm going to do now is how my Nonna used to make it. She used to get strawberries and put them in with lemon and sugar. I left it overnight, and now what we're going to do layers of custard and strawberries and wet the sponge with the sauce of the strawberries, because it's nice and juicy and sweet and lemony, and it's lovely. I can just get a spoon and just eat it like that. And usually when we have in Italy, at least that's how I grew up, is if we have strawberries and cream, is the strawberries are made this way. I've used frozen strawberries because obviously the time of the year you can't really get them fresh, although I found this, but they're not in season, but you can still find them nowadays. You can find anything. So let's stop faffing about. Let's get this beauty all sorted now. Cutting it in layers. Well, that's going to be tricky. I'm not good at this. Let's have a look. So far, so good. And we're nearly to the end. Ha! I've done it! This is exciting, but I should have cut the top bit first of all. But what I'm going to do, I'm only going to cut a little bit just to even it out a little bit. There we go. And there we go. I think that will do. And here is the one that I made earlier. So what we're going to do, when I was little, I remember this cake being huge, but I guess because I was very small, so that's probably why. It's probably this size. Okay, what we're going to do, get the strawberries, wet the sponge with strawberry juice, like that, bit everywhere, and we just put, it brings back memories. I had some left over, but usually you don't put it on the top. It would be just on the layers underneath. And then you just cover it in custard. So you can see, not really a cake maker, but this is gonna taste delicious. The look might not be there, but I don't care. It's my Nana's cake and it's gonna taste incredible. Ta-da! Il dolce di Nonna. I cannot wait to tuck into this beauty. I love it. It was one of my favorite when I was growing up, and every time my nan made it, I was so excited. And to remake it, incredible, incredible feeling. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up to date with the next videos, because the video about the custard is coming up. So make sure you check it out. Bring me back. Bring me back. Brings me right back to when I was a kid and all I wanted to do, eat Nonna's cake. Oh my God. And here it is. Absolute beauty. And now the taste test. Full of memories, full of goodness, just like Nonna used to make. It's amazing. Maybe next time I should have done more strawberries and wet the sponge a little bit more, but oh my God, if this is good, it's good. Takes me back to my childhood. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, just subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on the next videos. The recipe will be in the comments and also will be available on my website, because now it's live. The website is live, so you can check that one out as well. So it's bye-bye for now. Thank you. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.